Understanding empathy. The meaning of to feel for someone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to feel for someone. It's a phrase that carries a lot of emotional weight and is widely used in everyday English conversations. Understanding its nuances will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you express empathy more effectively in English. Let's explore what it means to feel for someone and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. When we say we feel for someone, we are expressing that we have empathy or sympathy for them. This means we can understand and share the feelings of another person, especially when they're going through a difficult time. It's a way of saying that our heart goes out to them, and we are emotionally connected to their situation. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. I really feel for you, having to work late every night this week. It must be so exhausting. She felt for her friend who just lost her pet. It was a tough time for her. We all feel for the victims of the natural disaster and their families. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey compassion and solidarity with someone else's struggles or pain. It's important to distinguish between to feel for someone and to feel sorry for someone. While both phrases express empathy, to feel sorry for someone can sometimes imply a sense of pity, which might not always be welcomed. On the other hand, to feel for someone is more about sharing in someone's emotional state and offering support without looking down on them. Be genuine in your expression. Empathy is about authentic connection. Use the phrase in situations where emotional support is needed. Remember, it's not just about saying the phrase but also about showing your support through actions. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, to feel for someone, and how you can use it to express empathy in English. Remember, learning to convey your emotions in a new language is a beautiful journey, and phrases like these add depth to your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.